Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to share with you a promo, and this is a Johan promo that was given to me. It's a 1958 Plymouth, given to me by an old friend of mine, and I have had it since the early 90s. And if you go back and watch my interview I did with Russ about the Johan products, and he talked about the Johan Smile, which is basically right here, where you can see the fenders on both sides are kind of curved down and up. That's what the Johan Smile was all about. Plastic they used back in the day was a cellulose acetate, and it did not respond well to age and heat, and that's the results of it. But the car itself is pretty cool. It unfortunately looks like I've had it sitting on the base here for a little too long, and it looks like the tires are starting to stick to the platform. I don't believe it's tied down. No, it's not tied down, but they are like bonded to the plastic. Now that's a very unfortunate thing. I'll have to ask Russ the next time I see him if he has any idea on how to repair that. This was a friction car. You can see the motor in there with no interior and no engine. I don't know a lot about how Johan put these out for the dealers, and that would be a question I'd have to ask Russ. And hopefully we'll get him back and do another interview for you guys so he can share some more of his knowledge in his collection. So there it is, the 58 Fury. And it's got a little bit of a bow like this to it also. But it's still cool, and I've had it for over 30 years now, and I enjoy the heck out of just staring at it when I walk by. So that's it, folks. That is the Johan promo 1958 Fury with a little bit of smile in the front. And I hope it brings a smile to your face. And we'll see you on the next one. The Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling. Thanks, everyone.